Okay, student, today start the new topic, class 11th, chapter first set, lecture third, superset, subset and proper subset. So first of all, we are defining what is the subset. What is the subset? Suppose let two sets A and B. Let two set A and B such that A is subset of B. इसको रीड करेंगे, A is subset of B. A is subset of B means A is subset of B means each and every element of set A is belongs to set B. The definition is defined if each element of set A, okay student, what is the subset definition is if each element of set A containing in set B means if each element of set A is containing in set B is also defined the A subset B. For example, suppose set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay student, set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and set B is equal to, so in this given set 1 is also belongs to B, the element of 1 belongs to B, 2 is also belongs to B and 3 is also belongs to B, such that each and every element of set A it belongs to B, then A is subset of B. A is subset of set B. Okay student, A is subset of set B, but the element of 3, 4 is not belongs to A, 4 is not belongs to set A and 5 is not belongs to set A, such that then B is not subset of A. Okay student, B is not subset of A. Okay, write down. Next student, suppose if set A is equal to set B, suppose set A is equal to set B and A is subset of B or B is subset of A, means each and every element of set A belongs to set B and each and every element of set B belongs to set A. Okay, A is subset of B or B subset of A, then A is proper subset of, A is proper or equal subset of B. A is subset, read, A is subset or equal set of B. So read down A is subset R equal set of B, means all element of A belongs to B and B is also belongs to A. Then read A is subset R equal subset of B. Write down A is subset R equal subset of B. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Each and every element of set belongs to B, means A is subset of B, and each and every element of B belongs to A, then A is equal subset of B. A is subset are equal to set B. Write down. Or this type of set is also called, hence A is subset are equal to set B is called improper subset. Improper subset. So this type of set is called A is subset are equal to subset B, or is called improper subset. Next, proper subset. The proper subset means if A is subset of B, means each and every element of set belongs to set B. If each and every element of set containing to the set B, means A subset B. If A is subset of B, but A is not equal to B, means each and every element of A is not equal to set B, then set A is proper subset of set B. A is proper subset of set B. For example, A is equal to A, B, C and set B is equal to A, B, C, D, E. Okay, student. So set A is equal to A, B, C, and so A is also belongs to B, B belongs to B, C belongs to B. So then A is proper set of B, but A not is equal to B. A not is equal to B means number of element A is equal to 3 and number of element B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A is not equal to B and each element of A is not equal to each element of B. So A is subset of B, but A is not equal to B. So this is called proper subset. Write down super subset. Next topic we are defining supersets. So super subset means a set A is superset of set B, means a set A is superset of set B, but if B is subset of A, B is subset of A, means each and every element of B in set A. Okay, so B is subset of A, that is each element of B is an element of A. If A is subset of B, so this symbol is denoted A subset of B. A subset of B. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3. तो 1 2 3 इज ऑल्सो बिलोंग्स टू ए, तो B इज सबसेट ऑफ ए, तो B इज सबसेट ऑफ A and A is superset of B, means the element of A is 1 2 3 4 5, B is equal to 1 2 3, so each and element of B is belongs to A, so then called B subset of A, but A is superset of B, A is superset of B. Okay student, write down, again explain, means A is subset of B, A is superset of B, means A is superset of B होगा तब if B is सबसेट ऑफ ए, अगर B के ईच एंड एवरी एलिमेंट A में होंगे, दैट इज ईच एलिमेंट ऑफ B इज एन एलिमेंट ऑफ A, तो देन इट इज कॉल्ड A इज सुपरसेट ऑफ B, A इज सुपरसेट ऑफ B. तो फॉर एग्जांपल दिस, राइट डाउन. Next student, important property of subset. Important property of subset means so many important properties. The first property is every set is its own subset. Means each and every set is own, खुद का वो subset होता है. तो each and every subset is own subset. For example, proof, let A be a set, A be a set, any set, any set. So then X belongs to A, that implies X is also belongs to A. So means hence A is subset of A. A is subset of A. Next, number 2. Empty set is subset of each set. Empty set is subset of each set. Empty set is subset of each set. Proof, phi is defined no element of any set, means phi, empty set means null set, so means phi is not defined the any element, no element of any set. Yeah, suppose set A, so phi is subset of A, phi is subset of A, then phi is subset of A. तो phi is subset of A और phi equal subset of A. तो phi is subset are equal to A. So this is proof. Empty set is subset of each and every set. Read out each element of phi is subset of set B. Write down. Property number 3, for any two sets A and B, suppose two sets are given A and B, if A is equal to B, means each element of A is equal to each element of B, and A is subset are equal to set B, A is subset are equal to set B या proper subset of B, then B is also equal subset of A. B is also equal subset of A. If A is equal to B and A is subset of B, then B is also equal subset of set A. So first, third theorem. Fourth, for any three set A and B and C are given, three sets are given and A equal to B and B equal to A, means each element of A is equal to B, each element of B is equal to A, and B is equal to C and C is equal to B, then A is also subset are equal to C, या A is subset of C. Again चलो prove that A equal to B means A is subset of B and B is subset of C. The equation first and second means each and every element of A belongs to B and B belongs to C. So suppose let X belongs to A and X belongs to B, means A is subset of B, so X belongs to B. Again X belongs to B, so then X belongs to C, implies that X belongs to C, and X belongs to A and X belongs to C, so hence A is subset are equal to C or A subset of C. Proof. Hence proved. Okay student, write down. Next lecture we are define very important topic, Venn diagram. So next topic we are defining Venn diagram. So first of all write down and solve the each and every question related to the NCERT books.